Like I'm pretty sure most players play on atc24 if they're playing PTFS. Am I top down? Yeah, I'm top down. Okay, posted my ATIS, just gotta get the charts up and I'll be good to go.
Hello, Islarani Tower. This is Qantas 5122, entering your airspace at flight level 050, heading to Perth International.
Qantas 5122 cleared GPS direct to Perth International continuous vibe.
Clear GPS to Perth International as filed, Qantas 5122.
Charts. And top down. Top down at Zalrani is so much easier than any other place. Yeah, I'm gonna try to be not as mean to anybody else who's bugging me. Sorry, I have super high temp. My patience is super low today, just full of it. Okay.
Qantas 5122 requesting a frequency change over to Perth International.
Qantas 5122 cleared frequency change to Perth International. Great flight.
Thank you.
Dude. Planespotter. What is atc24 becoming, bro? It's already becoming a public server. This is nothing. What, dude? People, they're giving all the least realistic RPs ever. Pulling over planes. You can't do that. One time I saw everybody at Perth flying the one day into. Dude, this sucks. How was your day playing spotter? What'd you do today? Just the usual. Bruh. All day? That's crazy. Tomorrow, I'm really good at Rubik's Cubes, and tomorrow my little Rubik's Cube timer is coming in. $25 million. That's far past space. I hope my friend Sam joins. Kind of like my best friend. 5 hours doing nothing. That's crazy. Touch grass. Oh my god. Never. That's crazy too. I don't know why today is so funky. But at least I'm back at Zarani. I always made me Zarani. I get so mad when people take Izal. I'm top down, so that means nobody's taking me until about 10 o'clock. Ooh, I should eat ice cream. Dude, I'm getting so off topic. Oh man. Okay, that's fine. Why'd you get banned in PTC? What was bro doing on there? Oh my god, were you the guy who was oh my god. Were you the guy who's from who never mind, never mind. Oh, you seem like it. There's somebody who's doing it on the PTC Discord, and it was so weird. Okay, good. It's not you. Bro, this guy is so weird. I heard something illegal in Orangi. Hold on, can we get some traffic?
Hello?
Oh, hello.
What's up?
What's up?
Sorry, this might sound a little dumb. Kind of new, but what does top down mean?
That means I own the whole, or I'm controlling the whole island. That's not
Oh,
dumb. I'm new too. I started the last Monday.
oh, nice. No, I was just wondering because I thought it meant like you're controlling like Larnica area too.
Mm-mm. I'm just controlling full of Izarani.
Okay.
Negative CJDH GM. You're banned from Izarani too for not listening to directions.
Damn.
You know what?